Have you ever felt like your relationship is slipping away? Like you are trying to connect, but something just feels off. Conversation feels forced, and arguments spark over the tiniest things. And the warmth that once existed is fading away. I have been there too. A few years ago, I found myself having dinner with someone I loved, but the silence at the table was louder than any fight we ever had. That's when I knew something had to change. And here is the crazy part. Just four small habits transformed everything in just 7 days. In this video, I am going to share those four habits with you. If you follow them, your relationship will never be the same again. First, let's understand why that matters the most. Because the most people think fixing the relationship takes months or even years. But that's a myth, my friend. The truth, change does not come from huge dramatic gesture. It comes from very small and consistent actions. Think about it. If you hit the gym every day for 7 days, will you see the right result? The same goes for your relationship. By the end of this video, you will have 30 days action plan to reduce the conflicts and deepen your connection. To bring back the warmth you thought you lost. Here is the first habit, the 10-second appreciation rule. Every single day, spend just 10 seconds expressing genuine appreciation. It could be as simple as I love how you always make me laugh. Simple, yes? Just apply this and see the change happening. One more sentence you can try. I appreciate how hard you work for us. Sounds too simple, right? But here is the science. Our brains are wired to focus on problem. By practicing gratitude daily, you shift the emotional energy in your relationship. When I started doing this, the change was almost instant. Within 2 weeks, I noticed more smile, more warmth, and the less tension. Try this for 7 days, and you'll be shocked at how differently people respond to you, how differently your spouse responds to you. Tip number 2, listen to understand, not to reply. Yes, my friend, we need to listen. We need to learn to listen to understand, not to reply. Here is the challenge for you. Next time you talk to someone, take a pause before responding. Instead of saying, yeah, but you don't get it, try saying, I hear you. You are saying that, and then repeat what they said. Yes, give it a shot. When people feel truly heard, arguments transform into conversation. Tension melts, and suddenly, instead of defending themselves, they open up to you. I tasted this with my wife, and the number of arguments had dropped by 80%. That is the power of listening to understand. Now, tip number 3, the daily check-ins. Yes, you heard it right, the daily check-ins. We often assume that the people we love are fine, but behind that smile, they might be carrying stress, doubt, or frustration. So here is a game changer. Spend time, just 5 minutes, every evening for checking. Ask the questions like, how was your day? What is in your mind right now? Ask that question. And remember, no judgment, just your presence. This simple ritual builds the trust and emotional safety. In my own life, those 5 minutes became the most powerful 5 minutes of the day. Because when someone feels safe to share, your bond deepens beyond your words. The final habit is 24-hour rule. Here is how it works. When your partner upsets you, don't react right away. Yes, don't react right away. Wait for 24 hours before responding. Why? Because most conflicts are not the real conflicts. They are emotional reaction, and the conflicts are temporary. If it still bothers you after 24 hours, bring it up calmly. But 9 out of 10 times you will realize it was not worth fighting for it. This one habit alone has saved me from so many unnecessary arguments. Imagine how much calmer and healthier your conversation would feel if you practice this. Now let us combine all together. How this habit works together. Here is the beautiful part. These 4 habits feed each other. Appreciation creates the positivity, while listening is building trust, And daily check-ins deepens the connection. And the 24-hour rule prevents unnecessary conflicts. By practicing these easy sounding 4 tips, I went from cold and silent dinner to laughter filled evenings, from constant tension to genuine warmth. And trust me, that was not magic, it was a choice. And if I could do it, so you can. Small changes create big transformation. Start these 4 habits today, and in just 1 week, you will look back and be amazed at how much your relationship has shifted. And now I want to hear from you. Which habits are you going to try first? Drop in the comments below. I would love to cheer you on. If this video has inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss future videos. Because we are coming up with a lot of series that will help you to have amazing relationship. And yes, remember that love does not fade by accident, it fades by the neglect, and it grows by choice. Make your choice today. If you think that I can help you, you can find our contact details below this video and you can reach out to us. Okay, this is Jignesh, your relationship and happiness coach, signing off for now. Thank you very much.